P. Diddy. If you are on any social media platform, nowadays you must have heard this name a lot. I am Visitos and let's find out what all the buzz is about. Who is this guy? P. Diddy or Sean John Combs is an American rapper, record producer, and record executive. He was born on November 4, 1969 in Harlem neighborhood of New York City. His mother was a model and teacher's assistant, and his father served in the US Air Force, but later on became an associate of convicted New York drug dealer Frank Lucas. When P. Diddy was only 2 years old, his father was shot dead. That is why P. Diddy grew up in poverty. In spite of all this, P. Diddy was a business major at Harvard University, but he left it in his second year. He became an intern at New York's Uptown Records in 1990 and worked there as a talent director until he was fired in 1993. He turned the situation also to his favor and launched his own label Bad Boy Records, through which he introduced the notorious Big, Justin Bieber, Cassie, Usher, and many more. His professional life was at peak, and he also launched his own clothing brand, Sean John, in 1998. He also held a series of parties known as White Parties between 1998 and 2009. The parties had a strict all white dress code, so the name. At that time, it was a matter of social prestige for celebrities and high profile people to escort and invite to his parties. Among the guest list, few remarkable names were Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton, Jennifer Lopez, Jay Z, and many more. His parties were so celebrated among the top stars that Jay Z and Beyonce even released new music at his events. But success got into his head, and his rivalry with Death Row Records owner Suge Knight did him no good. Tupac, who was working with Death Row Records at that time, was shot, along with Biggie. And when they came out safe from the first attack, Tupac publicly held P. Diddy and Biggie responsible for the attack. But later on, both Biggie and Tupac lost their lives in mysterious shootouts respectively in 1997 and 98. Their murderers or murderer is still unknown even after 3 decades. Personally, also, P. Diddy was not a role model from the start. He didn't marry once, but has 7 children with 4 different women. His affair with JLo was also the talk of the town in the late 90s. They were among the list of famous celebrity couples. In 1999, P. Diddy, JLo, and Shine were at a club when gunfire broke out. P. Diddy and Shine were arrested for weapons violations and other charges. And obviously, P. Diddy was found not guilty on all charges, but Shine was convicted on 5 of his 8 charges and sentenced to 10 years in prison. Later in 2001, JLo broke up with him supposedly because of his unfaithfulness. Then came the most highlighted and talked about relationship of P. Diddy and Cassie Ventura. They had an on and off relationship which started in 2007 and made public in 2014 when they attended multiple celebrity events together as a couple. But soon after their public argument, they announced their breakup in 2018. And to our shock, Cassie filed a lawsuit against him on November 16, 2023, accusing him of rape, sex trafficking, and physical abuse. She accused him of controlling every aspect of her life, forcing her to take excessive amount of drugs, have sex with other men, beating her for years, and threatening her when she tried to leave the relationship. In the lawsuit, it was stated that the white parties were loaded with illegal substances and the singer was forced to perform shameful acts. This lawsuit was the first among many that are now filed against him. But P. Diddy and Cassie reached an undisclosed settlement on November 17, 2023, and the lawsuit was dismissed, as the lawsuit was against P. Diddy, who had a tremendously loyal network that would do anything he asked. But there is a thing about tables, they always turn, and when karma comes back, you can either enjoy or suffer from it, depending upon what you have given to others. On May 17, 2024, CNN released surveillance footage of P. Diddy physically assaulting Cassie at a hotel in Los Angeles dated March 5, 2016. However, he issued a video apology on Instagram and Facebook stating he was truly sorry and that his actions were inexcusable. The assault of Cassie was stopped by hotel staff, after which he also allegedly tried to bribe the staff. And finally, on October 1, 2024, the Washington Post reported that a team of lawyers will be filing as many as 120 more lawsuits covering assaults that took place during the 2000s and 2010s. And the list of victims include both male and female, 25 of whom are minors. The Department of Justice has charged him with racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution. In recent developments, P. Diddy has also been accused by Suge Knight for molesting Justin Bieber and Usher in their early years. But no statement has come from both these celebrities themselves, so for now it is all an accusation. He has also been accused of recording people in inappropriate situations at his parties. Allegedly, it is also stated that he would hit, kick, and throw objects at people in his parties, which led to injuries that would sometimes take weeks to heal. It is also being speculated that he didn't do everything only on his own, but also used other famous and influential people to get his way, mostly with whom he made contacts with at his parties. But as they say, the truth always comes out at the end. The trial of Sean John Combs, popularly known as P. Diddy, will start from 5th May 2025 on the charges of sex trafficking, racketeering conspiracy, and prostitution. P. Diddy wanted to be famous through his parties, and now he is. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos, like and share your views in the comment section.